Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Relax your toes, feet, ankles, and knees. दोन्ही तळपाय, घोटा, गुडघे रिलॅक्स झालेले आहेत. Relax your thighs, waist, and stomach. दोन्ही मांड्या, कंबर, पोट, पोटातील अवयव शिथिल झालेले आहेत. Left side of your back from top to the bottom. Right side of your back from top to the bottom. Spinal cord from neck joint to the tailbone. Relaxed. पाठीची डावी बाजू, पाठीची उजवी बाजू, संपूर्ण पाठीचा मणका शिथिल झालेले आहेत. Shoulders, neck joint, upper arms, forearms, palms and fingers. दोन्ही खांदे, दंड, कोपर, मनगट, तळहात, पाची बोट रिलॅक्स झाली आहेत, शिथिल झाली आहेत. चेहरा, सगळे चेहऱ्याचे मसल्स, डोकं, आपल्या डोक्यावरती असणारा प्रत्येक केस, all facial muscles, छान सगळी बॉडी रिलॅक्स्ड आहे, हलकं वाटतंय, बरं वाटतंय. शरीराचा संपूर्ण भार जमिनीवर सोडलाय. अँड यस, फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 minute, only 1 minute, sound vibrations. Let us give thanks. We are thankful to universe for showering all positive vibes. We are thankful to divine love, divine energy, divine guidance, divine power, and divine will. We are thankful to divine protection. We are thankful to our parents, teachers, spiritual guide, family members, friends, relatives, everyone for support, motivation, inspiration. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We all are thankful to members of Yoga Dance Studio, past, present, future in advance. We are thankful to all magicians, those who have enrolled, those who are going to enroll. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everyone is contributing the group energy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Concluding prayer. सदा सर्वदा योग तुझा घडावा, तुझे कारणी देह माझा पडावा, उपेक्षू नको गुणवंता अनंता, रघुनायका मागणे हेची आता, उपासनेला दृढ चालवावे, भूदेव संतांसे सदा नमावे, सत्कर्मयोगे वय घालवावे, सर्वामुखी मंगल बोलवावे, जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ, सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके, शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Just take your both the hands in blessing position. Visualize your family members, friends, relatives, and bless everyone with health, wealth, happiness, love, joy, success, name, fame, and abundant life. So be it, so be it, so be it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for blessing everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Rub your palms, generate some heat, place them over your eyes, cheeks, sides of your neck, shoulders cross, tap your shoulders, stomach, back, thighs, knees, calf muscles, and yes, clap for yourself and open your eyes with a big smile. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great day ahead. Have a great time ahead. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being with Yoga Dance Studio. Thank you, thank you, thank you.